In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up basic logic jumps for simple routing within your Typeform account. This is a fantastic way to create a more personalized experience for your respondents by sending them down different paths based on the specific answers they provide. To get started, you must first open your existing form inside the Typeform editor so you can see all of your questions laid out. Once you are in the builder, look at the top menu and navigate to the Logic section by tapping on the Workflow button. This serves as your primary logic tab, where all the magic happens behind the scenes. Within this view, you will see several options, but you need to select branching to begin the process. Now, it is time to choose your trigger question. This is the specific question where you want the jump to occur, so go ahead and click on it to open the settings. Once selected, look for the option to add a rule and click on it to begin defining how the logic should behave. Now you must define the jump by setting up your condition and your action. For the condition, you will set the specific logic that determines when the jump should happen, such as if a respondent selects a certain multiple choice answer. Finally, establish the action by choosing the destination where the user should be sent next. This could be a specific question later in the form, or even a custom thank you screen based on their previous input. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that every person who fills out your form has a unique and relevant experience that feels tailored just for them. It really is that easy to make your surveys more interactive and efficient using the powerful branching tools available in the editor. Just remember to save your changes and test the flow once you are finished to make sure everything works perfectly.